buddies ain't as smart as he is.
They awesome. You literally can't see it. This is why I wanted to be on the pier.
I wanted to be up there.
Yeah. Whoa!
Yeah, you'll be. No, up here. Get on top of the truck and maybe you will. No, they do all the small ones. The big ones last. Oh my gosh. Complying. Can I go down there?
Whoa! I kind of wish I was on the pier though. I kind of wish.
Walk up there.
Mama won't let me because you guys aren't up there. Grandma won't. Whoa! I want to go up there to get a better view.
I want to do one firework. I want to do one firework.
No, you'd be too close to fall.
Good. Can someone get me up? Can someone like get me up there so I can like? I want to go up there so I can get a better view. You didn't tell me I could though. Well, you didn't tell me I could though.
Oh, yeah.
That's because you want me to have the worst view of fireworks ever. Literally, I just can't get the best video of. This is okay, what I'm getting on my camera is mediocre at best. Whoa! It's a ring! I've never seen that one.
I didn't see the ring.
It's a big circle without anything inside of it. I'm looking at it on Mom's phone.
Mom, I want to do one of the spikes. Can I sit on the windshield? Again? Stop. Oh. I didn't even see that. I'm not even seeing you.
It's getting harder to stand.
B.
It's getting. Oh, whoa.
I want to stand.
Well. Okay, what I'm getting on my camera is mediocre at best. I could probably get a better view of them if I could get up on the pier, but my grandma won't let me go up there.
Did you see the ring? Yeah. Hey, look, it's still there.
Oh, this one going up.
I'm watching the stars.
Still going up.
I'm watching the stars, Dana.
Oh, it's getting harder to stand though.
I went in, I was grabbed the 259, I was like, yeah, I want to do this, I'll do that.
Do you think this is a real firework?
I don't know. It doesn't really look like it's over the river.
I honestly thought it was you over the river. Look at how many boats there were. I thought they'd shoot them from the boat.
Okay, I'm getting mosquitoes all the way up to my ankles.
That's where we're gonna laugh.
I thought it'd be over the river because of how many boats there were. Yeah.
Ah! Mosquitoes are after my ankles.
Hey, can you like send that to cousin?
Mosquitoes are after my ankles.
Yes.
No, I'm not going right this moment.
I know, I mean when it's done. Did you get enough battery to see all of it?
Mine's like 60.
Oh, yeah.